Talking about the weather in many cultures is this ultimate icebreaker, is this small talk that everybody uses. But just these sentences like it's sunny, it's raining, it's cold, it's not enough. Those sentences simply won't keep the conversation for too long. So today I want to give you 3 phrases, 3 bullets to help you talk about the weather, like if you actually lived through it. Welcome to English Bullet, the channel where we fire up your day with practical English and powerful motivation for your business and life. Having used English in business for almost 30 years, I'm here to share what I've learned. Let's get started. The first bullet, the first phrase, is to clear up. It means when the weather improves, specifically when clouds, fog or rain disappears to reveal the sun. You can use it when you talk about planning activities or looking at the weather forecast. For instance, it's pouring right now, but the weather forecast says it should clear up by the afternoon. Or, I hope the sky clears up so we can see the stars tomorrow.
It's pouring right now, but the forecast says it should clear up by the afternoon.
The second bullet, the second phrase, it's a cold spell or a heat wave. It means a short period of very cold or high temperature, unusual for that time of the year. It's perfect for the small talk. For instance, it's a cold spell this week, so be sure to wear your heavy coat. So it means that it's extremely cold this week, unusually cold this week, so use your heavy coat. Or garden plants didn't survive the heat wave in June, the unusual heat wave in June, which means that it was a very hot June and it killed the plants. So a cold spell for a very cold period, unusually cold period of time, and hot wave for a hot one.
The plants in the garden didn't survive that sudden heat wave in June.
And the third bullet, the third phrase, something I don't wish any of you to get, is to be soaked to the bone. It means to be completely wet through all the layers of your clothes. To the bone adds the extra emphasis to the sentence. So you use it when you got suddenly caught in a rainstorm having no umbrella. For instance, having no umbrella, I got soaked to the bone on my way home, which meant it rained cats and dogs when I walked back home and I had no umbrella, so I got soaked to the bone. I was completely wet, totally. Or you get back home and your mom or somebody says, take off your clothes. You are absolutely soaked. You are absolutely soaked, which means that you're totally wet. Take all your clothes. Nothing is dry on you.
I forgot my umbrella and got soaked to the bone on my way home.
So quickly summing up here. We talked about clearing up, especially about the sky, which clears up of clouds or rain, and we finally get the sun back. We talked about a cold spell or a hot wave, which means a short, unusually cold or hot period of time. And we talked about soaked to the bone, which means to be totally wet because of the rain, having no umbrella. No matter how grey the sky looks today, the clouds will clear up eventually. Go through the storms of your life with a smile, and the sun will finally find you. Stay bright and never lose your energy. I hope you liked the episode. I hope you know more how to talk about the weather. So share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together.